You can always admire the green mountains in summer and the white landscape in winter.
Che la rappresenta scopre le magnifiche gesta del santo predicatore Bernardino da Siena.
The enchanting and refined Basilica of San Bernardino was built in the mid-15th century. Its magnificence bewilders the observer. The beauty of its stone structure enhances its preciousness. Its religious value reveals the glorious deeds of the saint and preacher Bernardino da Siena.
San Bernardino diventò frate a 22 anni e nel 1444 fu invitato all'Aquila dal vescovo per riconciliare due gruppi di cittadini in lotta tra loro. Morì malato poco dopo. Si racconta che dalla bara cominciarono ad uscire delle gocce di sangue che cessarono solo quando i due gruppi in lite trovarono un accordo.
Saint Bernardino became a monk at the age of 22 and in 1444 was invited by the Bishop of Alla. Before reaching the fortress, we will drive along Porta Castello. According to a university tradition, driving through this door and resting their feet in the footwell will bring students good luck in graduating.
La musica classica è da sempre una grande passione degli aquilani e dopo il terremoto l'architetto Renzo Piano ha progettato un moderno auditorium dalla forma di un grande violino. È situata su di un promontorio detto Colle Maggio, appena fuori la città muraria, nei pressi di Porta Bazzano.
We are reaching the most important religious monument in town, the Basilica of Santa Maria di Colle Maggio. It was built, then destroyed, and later reconstructed, thus undergoing several changes over the centuries. What we now admire is the result of a combination of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque styles. It preserves the oldest holy door in the world and is the seat of a unique annual Jubilee celebration. It is situated on a promontory called Colle Maggio, just outside the city walls, not far from Porta
Non entra
Bazzano.
dentro! C'è la freccia!
The basilica has a rectangular shape and is made of white and pink stone that forms a geometrical pattern. The basilica was commissioned in 1288 by a monk called Pietro da Marrone, whose coronation as Pope Celestine V took place in the same church a few years after its construction. On the left side of the building, you can admire Porta Santa, which is opened only on the 28th and 29th of August. The sins of those who walk through the holy door are forgiven, as established by Pope Celestine V in 1290.
La selezione di opere illustra il livello dell'arte dell'intera regione dall'antichità ai nostri giorni. In 7 sale, con opere che spaziano tra i secoli.
The entrance to the seat of the Munda, Museo Nazionale d'Abruzzo, is to the right of the Church of San Vito.